WMLW-VM.
It wasn't a constitutional judgment. It was an exercise in raw political power.
President Biden criticizing last month's Supreme Court ruling that overturned the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision. Tonight, he signs an executive order aimed at protecting abortion rights across the nation. The president's executive order is just the latest in an ongoing battle over abortion rights at federal and state levels.
Pro-life groups denounced the president's move, while pro-choice groups lamented it probably won't have much impact here. As CBS 58's Adam Reif explains how Wisconsin could be impacted. Adam.
Well, we knew the overturning of Roe v. Wade would not be the end of the fight over abortion rights. The president's executive order calls for some protections for people seeking abortions, but it does not restore abortion itself here in Wisconsin.
This is a moment, the moment to restore the rights that have been taken away from us.
But the measures announced by President Biden will not restore those rights here.
The executive order doesn't change anything in Wisconsin insofar as access. Abortion is still illegal in this state.
Stand up, fight back!
Among the issues the executive order calls for is protecting access to contraception, protecting data privacy, and protecting access to abortion drugs.
It does look to ensure emergency medical access.
But oddly, both sides of the abortion debate in Wisconsin are unsatisfied with the executive order.
Ultimately, this is still something that we see negatively because it's continuing the push toward medication abortions that women receive through the mail.
Since the executive order cannot restore abortion, Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin took aim at state Republicans, saying in a statement, quote, "Every day that legislative Republicans choose inaction is another day where they are making the choice to deny essential abortion care to women." And so in the short term, Wisconsin is in a holding pattern. Women can cross state lines to get an abortion, but the procedure remains illegal in Wisconsin for now. Legal experts worry about a possible yo-yo effect.
Let's say that at the trial court level, the Attorney General is successful and then procedures can go forward in the state. But then let's say that another level court then rolls that back.
Now, the state filed a lawsuit, of course, last week, claiming the 1849 abortion law is unenforceable. Defendants usually get 20 days to respond to lawsuits, meaning it could be a few more weeks before we get a decision. And 20 days could be a critical period of time for women waiting to learn the fate of their reproductive rights. In the newsroom, Adam Reif, CBS 58 News.